Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken tandoori salad. First, let's prepare the flavorful tandoori marinade. You'll need plain yogurt, fresh ginger garlic paste, and a blend of aromatic spices like garam masala, turmeric, and chili powder. Mix these ingredients thoroughly in a bowl. Then, add your chicken pieces, ensuring each one is completely coated. For the best results, let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes or even better, overnight in the refrigerator. This step is crucial for tender, flavorful chicken. Now that your chicken is beautifully marinated, it's time to cook it. You have a few options: an oven, an air fryer, or even a grill. If using an oven, preheat it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the chicken on a baking sheet and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through. The chicken should be cooked through and slightly charred at the edges. Always check that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. While the chicken cooks, let's prepare the vibrant salad base. Start by washing and chopping your favorite greens, such as crisp romaine or mixed salad leaves. Then, add other fresh vegetables like sliced cucumbers, juicy cherry tomatoes, and thinly sliced red onion for a bit of a bite. Colorful bell peppers also make a great addition. Feel free to customize with ingredients like chickpeas or corn to enhance both texture and nutritional value. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for your delicious tandoori chicken salad. Once the chicken is cooked and slightly cooled, slice it into convenient bite-sized pieces. Add these flavorful chicken pieces to your prepared salad greens and vegetables. For the dressing, a simple mix of yogurt, lemon juice, and a touch of mint works wonderfully. Toss everything gently to combine, ensuring every component is coated. Serve immediately and enjoy this fresh, protein-packed meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.